member of parliament Edema Akwetia was declared, should I say wanted? No. A contempt of court, all because Atiwa Akwetia by election was already election issue and now a court. Now I'm dealing with all the situations over there. And there was the need for the member of parliament so appear before court. Now I'm dealing with the issue. The member of parliament over the period Uncle Ernest Yaw Kumi, and of course the issue was pending at the Koforidua court. And there is a gentleman who was supposed to appear before the court, the presiding judge, Justice Yaw Senyo. He said the decision was affront, and in fact it was against the integrity of the court. Say yakacha say about somebody is contesting eligibility to represent the NPP, and of course you cannot hold yourself as such until the final determination of the court. Now you better the Constitution of the Republic. Now you're dealing with what the court says about what happens when someone is, of course, having a legal issue as a member of parliament elect. Judge and said Kumi had been absent from court since the contempt proceedings he began here, prompting the issuance of the warrant of his arrest. Just a total disregard to the court process, and that indeed was a big problem for him. That was a big problem for him. We'll go to Akwetia. The newspapers, we join them. Come over. Now, in defiance of the court order, Kumi was found to have disregarded the injunction which prohibit his swearing in and admission as MP elect at the Akwetia because there's ongoing illegal tussle. Justice Amedeche I say yeah, oya case ni nyina mu a MP na ya na adwen so o ma and wo ma manfo dada no, and oh yeah man ko memfi no. Now let's look at it. On January 3rd 2025, court no issue interim injunction preventing Kumi say my swearing in. A lawsuit Henry Boache Yado National Democratic Congress NDC parliamentary candidate for the area and were filing it. Emma or the several the clerk of parliament and was signed AAC electoral commission in all this process. What it is was that one more challenger result I declare winner of 19,269 vote against Boachi Yadom 17,206 as the winner. No? Now, despite the injunction I file, me church why MP no ene ya issue warrant of arrest, a bench warrant. You can't bench warrant. Baby, I'm watching the piano. Momone doboa. Am nti where the onwane, but omra court awoma nti he needs to be arrested. Now, earlier ruling January court no dismiss application Kumi MP on the team file here. And what happened was that lawyer Gary Nimakon now seeking to set aside the injunction process. So be a file injunction. Now or the two assemblies some the defense need to enter appearance. Now process no etimiakos. Now Ebra Gary Nimakon a court to say on behalf of the MP say I am seeking to set aside no Nimakon argument ne say injunction no any election petition no were improperly filed into the substance of the case, but he was contesting on procedural issue citing section 16(1) of the Representation of People's Law 1992 PNDC Law 284. I say such action can only be initiated after Electoral Commission gazette the MP elect in a case involving corruption. I mean, sir, let me bring it down. Not here. So lawyer Gary Nimakon case in said NDC parliamentary candidate asset the course ma MP no holding as member of parliament because result no gidi say contestable. Now this is it. And we jina the PNDC law 284 so say Electoral Commission and gazette results. Now all my MP no declare so on MP a legitimate member of parliament elected. And now say obi akonya criminal case and a corruption related case be at the abono into ontimi holding ho as MP and yana ade na osomu a enye. However, the respondent in the case where a purely civil case, we should have respondents and the defense. 94. Now, Bernard Bediakon Bedu Square. Isaac Minta Labi Esquire and one more a counter argument no citing Supreme Court ruling. I interpreted the section 16(1) of the PNDC law 284 and said election petition can be filed once the election process is completed and the winner declared or gazetted. And we must refer report from Ghana Law Agency and graphic online. Actually say Adiano Krano EC gazetted 274 MPs including Kumi. Enti enya dia Gary Yaw Nimakubetimi ababeka se abato no omunyintu. Court no hwe etietie ni nya no wunze no. As a matter of fact, the MP na ya okojina MPP amanyoko ni dimu no. Ernest Yaw Kumi. Baya hantan edwe ebuo ni ani die no onfa ma court no. Nti court no mondoba. So there's a video OPA free parliament. MCR will roll that video. So power pass power. Court to say one pay yencheno. Enti sesi a urei empasio bebia ubia hweno na yabondoboa. And that is what it is. Now the Daily Guide has it in the front page.